Right. Well, I think I forgot something. Greetings, Bible nerds. It is I, your friendly Christian comic artist, artsy Bible nerd. Bible nerd. Here we go. There's the drawing. That's the page. So we got page 8, frame number 1. I think we're done with that. Now we're still working on frame number 2, and frame number 3 is just flats. So that's all we got so far. So I want to thank some people. Thank you for Kratzy76AU following 21 hours ago. Thank you very much. Also, LA Dawn 225 followed 10 hours ago. Thank you very much. So yeah, thank you for following. So here we go. Let's see, what was I working on? What colors do I have pulled up? I was adding some blue to the eyes. I've learned some things. You don't shade the eyes with gray, you shade them with blue. And I just learned that. I did not learn that from YouTube. I learned that from looking at people's eyes. I was watching TV, and I was looking at people's eyes, and I was noticing that they're blue. The sclera, the white part of the eyes, is blue on everybody, no matter what situation they're in. Let's try that again. That's a bit sloppy. And then we got Israel's eyes are blue. The blue of his eyes. All right, so now let's look at Israel's robe, Jacob's robe. His colors are right here. Let's go back over here. So my wife and I are looking into the Alpha series. I thought I had an opinion. I thought I knew the opinion that I had, and then I started looking further into it and discussing with the leaders, some of the leaders of my church. And it's the whole thing is the Holy Spirit part of the Alpha series. As a matter of fact, they believe in the Spirit so much they mention it even more than baptism. I don't remember baptism even being brought up. And I think I've seen all the videos of that series. Oh yeah, and if you haven't noticed, it's hot here. I am sweating. I've been outside. I had to change my shirt. So I'm getting my patio ready for guests. My daughter's birthday is coming up soon, and I told her she could have guests over for her birthday, which means I have to get the yard ready so we can do some barbecuing. Maybe her friends are going to be like, yeah, it's hot. No, we're not going to come to your house and stand outside. Got anything else to do? Got any other plans besides eating outside when there's a perfectly good kitchen available? What I wish I had, what we need is a patio umbrella. We don't have one of those. Nor do we have a pool. That's what would be good. All right, this is purple, so while I'm taking care of this color, I've mirrored the colors on the left side and the right side. So now I want a shadow to show up. Right there. All right, let's work on the yellow in the middle. So what are people doing to beat this heat? I went to a pool party last weekend. My son's baseball team had a pool party for the end of the season. and that was fantastic. Just being in the water